Hey guys, today we're doing the maintenance on the Shark vacuum.
All right, so we have this Shark DuoClean vacuum over here. It's from 2017, so it's almost 7 years old. And before Wyatt came along, I was the type of person that never took care of our vacuum. So the filter has rarely been changed. The brushes have rarely been taken care of. So Wyatt is gonna help see if we can get it working again.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
So first we're gonna do the battery. So
I'm gonna change the battery on it.
Yep. It goes in the trash can. The battery.
There it is. So this vacuum is older than Wyatt.
Yeah. Ooh, this looks cool.
Yeah.
Let's put it in.
Shiny and new.
Is this what it looks like when you first got your vacuum?
Mm-hmm.
What?
So clean.
Oh. I can't seem to get it in.
It should just click.
Oh. Should just click. Oh, look at that.
Okay.
Light up.
Try one more time.
Okay. There we go.
Good job.
Now we're gonna dip onto this right here. Now where is it again?
Here, let's straighten it up. Remember how to straighten it? Here, you push this button up here. And then you flip it up. There you go.
Now where is it? Here it is.
Yep, it's probably pretty gross. Yuck.
Oh my goodness. I get dirt all over my hands now. There we go. That goes, nope, like that.
You got it?
Yep. There we go. New filter.
New filter. And then it has one more filter on the other side.
Yep. And now I'm gonna move on to the brush.
What about the other filter, Wyatt? Remember this little guy?
Oh.
All right, so that's the second filter. There you go. Okay, so you're gonna replace the brush. Push the little buttons on the side. Ew.
Holy moly.
Oh, so that's probably why it was getting so clogged. There's a bunch of confetti in there.
And a lot of dirt.
Yuck. Just needed a vacuum for our vacuum.
Yeah.
All right, so it comes with this little device here to try to get some of the hair out of that rolling brush.
goodness. It's a lot.
So we actually don't use this one that much since we have 25 robot vacuums cleaning our house almost every day.
Yeah.
This one has been a little neglected.
But when we didn't even have any Roombas, we used this a lot.
Yeah.
And now we have this.
Brand new brush.
Yep. There we go.
All right. You think it's gonna work?
Uh-huh.
Hope so. It works!
Yay! Let's try it on tile.
Yeah.
Oh, much wider.
Good job, dude. Thanks for fixing it.